Understand Porthcawl's divide, you have to zoom out. Because what's happening here isn't unique. Across the UK and around the world, seaside towns often carry the same pattern. Beauty on the surface, inequality underneath. Research shows coastal communities are more likely to be deprived than inland areas, with lower wages, fewer stable jobs, and higher reliance on seasonal work. In fact, some of the most deprived neighbourhoods in the UK are found in seaside towns, places like Blackpool, Clacton, and Rhyl. Even recently, towns like Rhyl have been highlighted for youth unemployment, drug issues, and limited opportunities, despite regeneration efforts. This isn't just a British issue. Across Europe, North America, and parts of Australia, many coastal towns have followed the same trajectory. Once built on tourism, now struggling with seasonal economies, low wages, and a shrinking base of stable employment. And that creates a very specific kind of divide. Not always between rich and poor cities, but within the same place. You'll often find luxury seafront properties, minutes away from low-income housing. Thriving tourist zones, next to struggling high streets. Seasonal wealth, alongside year-round insecurity. But here's where Porthcawl is different. Compared to some of the UK's most extreme coastal towns, it sits somewhere in the middle. Data from the Office for National Statistics shows that places like Porthcawl are among a smaller group of coastal towns, with lower overall deprivation levels, alongside places like Llandudno Junction and Penarth. That puts it in a different category to towns like Blackpool, often described as the most deprived seaside town in England, where inequality is far more entrenched and visible. Globally, the most extreme divides tend to exist in major coastal cities, like Cape Town or Rio de Janeiro, where wealth and poverty can exist side by side at a far greater scale. Compared to those, Porthcawl's divide is smaller, but that doesn't make it insignificant, because in smaller towns, the contrast is compressed. You don't need miles to see it. Just a few streets. So where does Porthcawl rank? Not among the most extreme,